Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's lecture, we will cover this chemical processing unit. In this example, we will see how this chemical process unit works, how its programming works, and how the animation works on the WinCC. So before moving there, let's see the requirements. So we have four products here, product A, B, C, and D. And then we have three sensors and then three tanks. So first tank is basically the process says that the valve VA opens until the liquid level in tank 1 reaches the liquid level sensor ISA. So this is ISA. So as soon as we hit start, this product A should, the valve A should open up and letting the product A pass, and then it should stay on until ISA sensor is on, and after that the valve B will open until ISB is on. Same goes for the tank 2. The product C valve, which is VC, it will turn on until ISC is on, and it will turn off, and then VD will be on until ISD is on. So once we have both of these tanks filled, it means that we need to put this liquid, put this material, put this chemical into our main tank. So then VO1 and VO2 will open up. This is VO1 and VO2. This will open up until IS1 is off. It means that there is no liquid present in this tank. So when VO1 is open, the liquid will start to come flow through this valve into this big tank, and then once our IS1, which was on before this, turns off, it means we turn off this VO1 and our all liquid is in our tank 3. Same goes for this second tank. So once we have both of these valves closed, our mixer will start and a heater will start for X amount of seconds, and the seconds must be here. Mixer would be turned on for 30 seconds and heater would be turned on for 60 seconds. So after the heater has turned off, we will go to the filling process. So in filling process, what will happen is our M1 and M2 should turn on. These motors will turn on and this conveyor will turn on. So the bottles will start moving under our VR filling valve. So S0 will detect the bottle movement. So as soon as S0 will be on, our VR would be open and it will start filling the bottle until P0, which is weight sensor, it will detect. So once we have enough weight in the bottle, the filling valve will turn off, and then the motor 1 will again start and like bottle will move towards the corking. So once bottle reaches here, which will be confirmed by S1, the pneumatic cylinder will be turned on and it will cork the bottle, and it will stop when P1 is detected. P1 is the weight sensor again. So here, if you go here, you see we have M1, we have P0, which is weight sensor, and then for the M2, when S1 is reached, so we have pressure sensor, which is P1. So once we have enough pressure here, P1 detects that there is enough pressure, this pneumatic cylinder will be turned off, and then motor 2 will turn on again, and the water would be filled and corked and leave the area. So this is the process. The process continues until stop button is pressed. So let's move towards our PLC programming and let's see how the program is working. I have already done the programming for you, and this file will be attached so that you can have access to it. And just to save time, the program is already there. So let me go online with it. So what we will do is we will simply start it, and after starting it, it's waiting for simply the IR sensor, because I was like running around some tests. So this is on, so I need to stop it first. So let me modify it. Perfect. So now as soon as we will start it, what will happen is this product A will start to this product A will be, so now as soon as we will start the process, this product A and product B. So now to understand the working of this logic, we will turn on the simulation of our HMI2 and see how this logic works. So before going there, let me show you the HMI, and for the HMI designing, we will cover that in our HMI trainings. So this is where we have designed the HMI already, and if I turn on its simulation, it looks like this. So before moving towards the logic, let's see how our system is working. So once I hit start button, you see that product A and product C, they have started to pour in, their valves have turned on. So I have to manually turn on LS1 and LS2. It means that the water has reached this minimum level. So as the product is falling, VA and VC are open, LA and LC will turn on because the level is increasing. So I will turn on LA and LC. So you can see that now product A and C has turned off, but product B and D have turned on. So VB and VD are on as per our assignment. If you go back here, product B and D, until they are open until ISB and ISD. So I will turn on LSB and LSD. So as soon as I will do that, what will happen is these valves would be turned off, and these VO1 and VO2 will turn on. But I have made some things automated, so I don't have to turn off these sensors. So if I click here, you will see that these sensors will turn off automatically. So you can see from here. So as you see that VO and VO1 and VO2 were turned on, so all the liquid is in tank 3 now. So mixer and heater started. So mixer has stopped now, and I will wait for the heater. So the heater also stopped. When heater has stopped, our conveyor motors have started. So these two, M1 and M2, have started. So our bottles are below the corking and filling. So first we will discuss filling. So as the assignment said that this bottle would be detected by S0 sensor. So as soon as I will hit S0 sensor, what will happen is it starts filling. It has turned on VR. So the filling is complete. So how we will know? We will have to turn on the weight sensor. As soon as we will turn on the weight sensor, it means the filling has completed, and turn on the motor again, and this process will keep on repeating itself. So you can see that the motor has turned off now, and as soon as I will hit weight sensor, the motor will again turn on, and this will keep on repeating itself. So if we look here, so we have a filled bottle now. This needs to be corked. So what happens is, as you can see, that motor 2 is on. So as soon as S1 sensor will detect the bottle, the corking process has started. Now you can see that the bottle has been corked. So as soon as the pressure sensor will detect the enough pressure, you will see that, oh sorry, my bad. So you will see that the system will know that there is enough pressure. It will again start the motor, and the bottle will move forward, and the new bottle will come up. So S1 detects the bottle, corking has started, and pressure detects the pressure. So this bottle is moving there. Now the new bottle is coming. This process will keep on repeating itself until we press the stop button. So as soon as we press the stop button, everything has stopped. So moving back to the logic, if I open up the logic here, so this is the whole logic on which all of this system is working, and you can have it in the attachments, and you can like download it and give it a try your own and see. Like, it will take time for you to explore all logic and see how things are working. So do give it a try. I will see you in the next one.